Theme 1. I discover myself. Unit 2, Part 2, Desert Animals. Lesson 4. The pelican and the bear. A pelican and a bear are in the river. They are very hungry. They are both looking at a big juicy fish. The bear reaches for the fish. It lifts its paw. What's the meaning of paw? It's the hands of the bear. The pelican opened its beak. It is ready to take the fish out of the water. Do you know what is the meaning of a beak? It's the mouth of the pelican. The bear sees the pelican. The pelican sees the bear. Excuse me, the pelican says, that is my fish. The bear is surprised and angry. Pelican, look at my claws. Now look at my teeth. That's my fish. So the bear said to the pelican, you must see that I'm more stronger than you. I have 2 claws and I have a big teeth, and so this is my fish. So don't try to take it. The pelican looks scared. I'm sorry, bear, whispers. The bear is stronger than the pelican. The bear is happy because it has a big fish for dinner. Then the pelican looks down. Oh no. So here the bear is stronger, okay, and the pelican, but the bear was happy because he has got a big fish for the dinner, and the pelican was trying to trick him to take the fish. I can't see the fish. It can't see the pelican. Pelican, where are you? Bear shouts. There is no pelican, but he can hear the happy pelican flying away with the fish in the mouth. So here the pelican was cheating on the bear, and he took the fish and fly away, and the pelican is stronger than the bear because he fly and took the fish from the bear. Let's answer now some questions on the story. Read and answer the questions. Number 1. Which animal reaches the fish first? The pelican. Excellent. Number 2. Which animal is angry? Who was angry, the pelican or the bear? The bear. Excellent. Write true or false. Number 1. The pelican is really scared. Was the pelican really scared? False. Excellent, students. Number 2. The pelican is stronger than the bear. Was he stronger? False. Good. Number 3. The bear is surprised and angry. True. Yes, he was angry because the pelican took the fish and ran away. Number 4. The bear can't see the fish at the end. True. Can you tell me why the bear didn't see the fish at the end? Because the pelican took the fish. Excellent. Number 5. The bear is happy at the end. False. No, he wasn't happy because the pelican took the fish. Pronunciation. Letter P. P. Pin, peas, and pear. Letter B. B. Bear, beak, bee. Lesson 5. Animal fact file. Which animal can you see in the picture? Can you describe this animal? Vocabulary time. Food and drink. Reem Ghazali. Reem Ghazali lives in the forest. It has got 2 horns and her body is covered with coat and has hooves. Desert, grass, leaves. Look for horns. Like we said, Reem Ghazali has 2 horns and her body covered with coat. Protect. Hooves. Reem Ghazali got hooves. Camel. The camel lives in the desert. Listen and read. Reem Ghazalis look very beautiful. They live in Sahara Desert. They walk around looking for grass, leaves and plants to eat. They have big ears and long horns. They have yellow-white coats which protect them from the sun. They have hoofs on their feet that help them walk on the sand. They don't need to drink a lot of water like camels. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Reem Ghazalis have horns. Long horns. Number 2. Reem Ghazalis eat leaves. Number 3. The underlined pronoun they refers to Reem Ghazalis. Checkpoint. Read and put right or wrong. Number 1. Reem Ghazalis drink a lot of water. Wrong. Number 2. Reem Ghazalis eat grass and plants. Correct. Number 3. Reem Ghazalis have gray-white coats. Wrong. Number 4. Reem Ghazalis live in a Sahara desert. Correct. Lesson 6. Steps of making a research. Objective. Why are you doing this research? Research. Questions that you need to answer. Presentation. Writing the answers in the appropriate way. Research about naked mole rat. Objectives. Research and write about naked mole rat. Research. Where does it live? The naked mole rat lives in the Eastern Africa. What does it look like? It has big teeth and no hair. Why is it special? Because it doesn't get ill and lives for a long time. Presentation. The naked mole rat lives in Eastern Africa. It has big teeth and no hair. It cannot control its body temperature because it has no hair. Unit 2 Assessment. Listen and fill in the gaps. Number 1. The fennec fox lives in the desert. Number 2. An eagle is bigger than a mouse. Number 3. Reem Ghazalis look very beautiful. Number 4. The naked mole rat has big teeth and no hair. Choose the correct answer. The fennec fox is than the camel. Smaller. Crocodiles are and scary. Huge. Help people to carry things and cross the desert. Camels. Story time. In the taxi with Uncle Sammy. The next morning, Zahra is playing on her phone. Uncle Sammy has an idea. Do you like computer games, Zain? He asks. Yes, says Zain. Computer games are awesome. Uncle Sammy's cousin Fatin is a software engineer. She designs computer programs. The children go to her office. You can try these new games, says Fatin. The children have a lot of fun. Zain has an idea for a game. It's a puzzle game. He draws some ideas. but it isn't easy. Zain isn't happy with his game. Oh dear, he says, I love games and puzzles, but I don't want to be a software engineer. It's okay, says Uncle Sammy. Come and meet my friend Basim. He's a plumber. A plumber? Says Zahra. Checkpoint. Read and put right or wrong. Number 1. Uncle Sammy's cousin is a software designer? Right. Number 2. Zahra is playing computer games? Wrong. Zain is happy with his game? Right. Zain wants to be a software engineer? Right. Thank you. See you in Unit 3, Part 1.